This privacy token launched just 2 days ago, and it has already reached a total valuation of $400 million. That is a massive amount of momentum for a new project, and it's backed by some of the biggest names in the space, like Jump Crypto and Coinbase Ventures. The project is called Arcium. The question everyone is asking is, what does this network actually do to justify that kind of immediate financial backing? When this much capital flows into a project this quickly, it usually means big investors believe they've found a way to fix one of the most frustrating problems in the digital world. To understand that problem, think of current blockchains like a massive public highway, where every single car is made of perfectly clear glass. Anyone standing on the side of the road can see exactly what you're carrying. If you use a typical blockchain for a private healthcare bill or a secret business deal, the details are out there for everyone to see, clear as day. This lack of privacy is exactly why big institutions have been hesitant to use this technology. They simply cannot put sensitive, personal data onto a system where total transparency is the default. For blockchain to be useful for things like medical records or banking, there has to be a way to keep that information private while still proving the transactions are valid. Arcium's approach is called confidential computing. It's designed to be the privacy shield for these public networks. Think of it like a blindfolded calculator. It takes your sensitive data, performs the math, and gives the correct answer without the computer seeing the numbers. Arcium built this secure processing system to run on Solana, one of the fastest networks in the industry. This makes it possible for developers to build apps where you can trade assets without revealing your strategy, or put your health history on a digital ledger without exposing it to the public. Since the launch was so recent, the price has been moving fast. It hit a high of nearly 47 cents on day one, but it has since settled closer to 35 cents. This kind of drop is very common for new launches. Often, the earliest investors see their paper gains and decide to sell, which creates downward pressure on the price. If the market starts to stabilize, the next key level to watch is 40 cents. It's important to remember that these first few weeks are often a tug of war between short-term traders looking for a quick win and long-term believers in the technology. To summarize, the bull case is Arcium is solving a very real privacy problem and has some of the strongest venture capital backing in crypto. The cautious case is that it's brand new, the market is volatile, and we still have to see if developers will adopt the technology at scale. If you want to keep an eye on it, you can find the token on Coinbase and Bitget, or trade it directly on Solana using Jupiter. As always, these early projects are risky, so make sure you do your own research before jumping in. Let me know in the comments which project I should break down next, and I'll see you in the next video.